Using other people's content just to get to a number will destroy your channel. Let me explain why. The algorithm is going to send you these YouTube short hacks videos on how to do it from multiple channels because you're trying to learn how to grow. And it knows it. It knows your profile. It knows your audience profile. So it's going to send these specific videos to you because you want to learn about content creation and how to grow your channel. Plain and simple. I've watched them. I want to get to the promised land just like you. And look, man, they'll tell you how to copy already viral videos and how to use them on your channel as YouTube shorts. Well, I have seen people use this and get those numbers. Let me explain to you this. It does absolutely nothing for you in the end. You can gain the numbers, but it'll take you even longer to make quality content. Why? Because it cuts out all the important stuff that you learn as you grow and do your content on the channel that makes you successful in the end. Look, YouTube short hacks videos are abundant, which is why you came to this channel and this video. It's hard for me to see a channel that's telling me how to use this hack that's got 800,000 subs and think it's going to work the same way for me when I'm sitting over here with 25 or 100 or 115. We're all trying to figure out how to get ourselves in front of more people. That's why we're here. That's why you're watching this. So listen closely. We're not going to have the same success when we got 57 subscribers. 3 of them are you and 27 are your family members. So let's be honest with ourselves when we're talking about doing this. Do not take the shortcut. When it comes to using other people's content, it gives no value. You're better off making bad videos and working through it to figure out what works best for you. Write this down. Success is merely the art of duplication. What I'm about to say is advice that every big YouTuber has told you already, but you haven't listened or applied yet. Find a successful channel in your niche, copy their most liked, most viewed videos, and put your own spin on it. That's the tip. Make it your own. Don't copy it verbatim. That's how you separate yourself. Do not copy it verbatim. It will not end well for you. Content creators are like athletes. You train, do the work, get better over time, reap the benefits of time and investment into yourself. You hit the promised land of 1K and 4K, and then it starts to pay off. I heard this in another video, and I had to share it with you. Shout out to Jeff Lupin. I don't know if he got it from somebody else, but look, every YouTube channel has a number. Write that down. What does that mean? The number of the video that you do that will make you go viral, that will put you over the top, that will explode your channel. For some, it could be low. For others, it could be high. 35, 24, 37, 57, etc., etc. If I told you to stay consistent in making one video a week for 3 years, and it would guarantee you a residual income for the rest of your life of $8,000 per month, would you do it? Do you have what it takes? Are you willing to commit that? Are you willing to make the sacrifice to do that? Just 3 years, one video a week for 3 years. Okay? How many is that? Somebody do the math. Could you keep up with the consistency? Do you have the willpower to keep going? It's all about the sacrifice. And let me tell you right now, stop thinking about that word as being negative. It literally means giving up something of a lesser value for something of greater importance. That's exactly what sacrifice means. Other than the other one, but you know what this means with this term. Don't be scared to make sacrifices now for a better future or a better you. Okay, and let me let you in on the truth. There are no hacks or no shortcuts to being great on YouTube. There are strategies and tips to make your content better. Channels like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Think Media, I can go on and on and on, and the many more that I follow that I shout out from time to time, mainly because they bring value to me and what I do here on YouTube. They give me great tips and strategies, and they will do the same for you to make your content better, not someone else's. Stop looking for hacks. Let this be the last one you click on. There are no shortcuts to success. Unless you're born into a wealthy family, then you can buy your way in whatever you want. But for us, let's put the work in.